So pretty in the sky, how someone faces of people passing by. See friends shaking hands, singing, how do you do? They really say.
헬리콥터에서 봤던 신비로운 풍경을 좀 더 가까이서 보고 싶었다. 나는 하와이의 리틀 그랜드 캐년이라고 불리는 와이메아 캐년에 올랐다. 하와이어로 붉은 물이라는 뜻을 지닌 와이메아 캐년은 눈길을 주는 곳마다 탄성이 쏟아지게 했다.
You're not sure what you expect when you come down the walkway, but when you first set your eyes on the exact view, you're just like, wow, I can't believe this is the world we live in. We're so lucky and thankful to have the experience to be able to see something like this. So it's just so beautiful.
와이메아 캐년은 하와이가 미국에 합병되기 전까지 하와이 원주민들의 거주 공간이었다. 이곳 전망대엔 여전히 원주민의 후손이 남아 하와이의 역사와 문화를 전하고 있다.
What is the correct pronunciation of the Hawaiian Islands? Ha’, Ha is the breath of life. Everybody, what is Vai? Fresh water. E was known to be the supreme being or the creator. Okay? Ha’, is all it took to live simple and righteous. Where the hell did we go wrong, you guys, right? That's how simple it used to be. True. Today, unfortunately, everybody is out to make their money. Even the luau. So when you go to the luau, you show up and they say, aloha! And everybody's like, oh, it means hello, goodbye, love, peace. It has over 100 different meanings behind it. But the importance is understanding exactly what it means. Aloha actually has two words in it. Alo is to share or to be put in presence of face to face. And ha would be the breath of life. So putting the two words together simply means sharing the breath of life in each other's presence. Aloha.
Aloha.